Leo, you've got it on your head, your face, your belly, everywhere. Right guys, if you want to learn at home how to make this super sticky slime, this is the most sticky slime on YouTube. Keep watching till the end of the video and we'll show you how to make it. We'll also send you the full kit to make slime like this yourself at home. All you need to do is leave a comment down below, like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we will send you a full kit to make this yourself at home, a big batch. So keep watching guys.
Today, and Leah. Guys.
We are going to make slime.
Give me it. Yes.
We are going to make slime with all things that you can buy at Asda. Shaving foam, air freshener, glue. Angel. Oh, you put glue all over me. Oh, some for me. Some for Daddy. Ready, when to stop?
Now.
Yep. So, right.
Now.
Shaving foam.
Yeah.
So, PVA glue. Get one there, get one from there. Oh, I've got one. Shake, shake, shake. So now we put in this shaving foam. Oh. Angel, it doesn't even look like slime, this.
No, because you need to put the rest in, don't you? I'm putting the whole tin in. Me too. I don't want mine to be super, super fluffy. Daddy, how can I put... Now is it going to be pink?
No, you have to mix it.
That's about enough.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's so nice.
What colour shall I use, Angel, do you think?
I want orange.
You want orange? What colour do you want, Leah? What colour do you want, Leah?
I'm getting blue.
Okay, do you want me to mix yours up for you, Leah?
So that's about ready. Big blue.
Do you want me to mix yours up for you?
Orange.
Let me give it a little bit of more of a mix for you.
I'll mix it, Daddy. I'm putting some of this in now. Daddy, I'm putting pink in there.
Are you sure you've got the mix
I
right?
have orange hands. Let's go.
Leo, pass me my colour. What colour am I going to have? Pink.
Daddy, can I have gold? Can I have gold?
I think that's enough, Angel.
Can I have a little bit of gold as well?
Yeah.
I want a little bit of gold too. Yeah.
You don't need much colour to make it really bright, look.
Yeah. You went to WH Smith's.
Yeah.
So everything here you can buy from Asda, and it costs about
like WH Smith's
£5. Angel, maybe we should send a full kit of this stuff to somebody. Shall I try this stuff now?
Yeah. But it looks so good. I don't like it because mine is okay. Whoa!
That's it, mix it in, it starts going thick. Look at the colour of this! So guys at home, this is so easy to make. All you need is some PVA glue, which is just normal glue, isn't it, Angel, that you use at school?
Yeah.
And then use the same amount of shaving foam. So if you use 1 cup of PVA, use 1 cup of shaving foam. And then air wick, air freshener.
Daddy, is it done now? Daddy, I need some more air wick. That's enough.
Oh, Angel.
Run.
Oh no, Leo, I've got some of your thing in.
Look how nice my colour is, Daddy.
Look, it's like Spider-Man. Watch, Leo. Spider-Man.
Daddy, do you like my pink colour? It's slime, Daddy.
Is it?
Yeah. See? Look, it's slime.
Oh, Angel, man's slime now. Look at that. Ah!
Daddy, look that.
Let me see. Look at this, Angel.
Daddy, look what it's making it.
Angel's is looking really good.
Angel, that's a really good job.
And then
Leah, I think you might have spilt some.
what? I spilled loads. But it's really gooey.
PVA glue, shaving foam, colour, and airwick.
Look.
And they can make super sticky slime at home.
Mine's so sticky.
Ugh. Look at it, watch this, Angel, ready? Watch. Watch, Angel. Right, now, Angel,
Look up.
my slime isn't sticky anymore. Watch.
You want glitter?
And I'm going to tell everybody at home how you stop it being sticky.
Eric.
You put this
Eric.
in it, like that.
Put some more in mine, Daddy. Look at me.
Leo, you've got it on your head, your face, your belly, everywhere. That
Yeah,
is...
you've done the most mess. Have I really? Yeah, look at
Leah, I think you missed the table too.
what?
It's on the floor.
Right, guys, okay, so I will tell everybody
Mummy,
how...
you have to clean it up.
Oh, I'll clean it up.
I could just use it.
Look, Angel, now mine doesn't stick.
I'm trying to not make it. Look, mine didn't either. Look, mine didn't either. Can I have some more shaving foam?
No, you don't need that. Oh, Leo's is quite... Look, Leo's isn't that sticky anymore either, look. Good job, Leo.
Yeah. I need some more shaving foam.
Let's see if it sticks, ready? Oh, look, watch. Guys, if you want us to send you a kit of these things to make your own super sticky slime, leave a comment down below.